ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കേറ്ററ്റിൽ ചോദിക്കാവുന്ന കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ദ എയിം ഓഫ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു നാച്ചുറലിസം ഡസ് നോട്ട് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: എ. എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഈസ് ദ നോഷൻ ഓഫ് മാൻസ് എവല്യൂഷൻ ഫ്രം ലോവർ ഫോംസ് ഓഫ് ലൈഫ്. ബി. ടു എക്വിപ്പ് ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ ഫോർ ദ സ്ട്രഗിൾ ഫോർ എക്സിസ്റ്റൻസ്. സി. to help learner to learn and to be in harmony with the well adapted to their surroundings. D. To inculcate ethical and moral values in the learner. Answer D. To inculcate ethical and moral values in the learner. Second question, which school of thought held the view that God makes all things good, man meddles with and they become evil? Marxism, existentialism, naturalism, pragmatism. Answer: naturalism. Third one, drive reduction theory in motivation was propounded by A. Maslow, B. Clark D. Hull, C. Ellen Landa, D. Aspiro. Answer is B. Clark D. Hull. Fourth one, which is not a nature of philosophy? Options: A. It is a science of knowledge. It is a collective assemblage of various viewpoints. It is a planned attempt on search for the truth. It is the totality of man's creative ideas. Answer is D. It is the totality of man's creative ideas. Fifth one, the branch of philosophy deals with the knowledge, its structure, method and validity is known as. Options: logic, aesthetic, epistemology, metacognition. Answer is C. Epistemology. Sixth one, which school maintain natural impulses of the child are of great importance and are good in themselves? Options: biological naturalism, mechanical naturalism, naturalism of natural science, romantic naturalism. Answer is A. Biological naturalism. Seventh one, which branch of philosophy examines the issue pertaining to the nature of reality? Option: ontology, metaphysics, axiology, epistemology. Answer is B. Metaphysics. Eighth one, on what is based the need for teaching philosophy of education? Options: all learners are not alike. B. different system of education found in different countries. C. different philosophies expressed different viewpoints in every aspect of education. D. different ways of teaching learning. Answer is C. different philosophies expressed different viewpoints in every aspect of education. Ninth one, what is the goal of education according to idealism? A. perfect adaptation to the environment, realization of moral values, satisfaction of human wants, cultivation of dynamic, adaptable mind which will be resourceful and enterprising in all situations. Answer is B. realization of moral values. Tenth one, the aim of education according to the existentialist is. And options: humanitarian and humanist self-realization. B. adaptation of practical life. C. objective knowledge. D. a good understanding of the world outside. Answer is A. humanitarian and humanist self-realization. 11. The realist aim of education is. Options: A. self-realization. B. spiritual and moral development. C. happy and moral development. D. total development of personality. Answer is C. happy and moral development. 12th one, naturalist conception of man is. A. man's very essence of being is his spiritual nature. B. It is spirit rather than animality that is most truly man. C. There exists in the nature of things a perfect pattern of each individual. Last one. Nature would have them children before they are men. Answer is D. Nature would have them children before they are men. 13. Which philosophy of education considers psychology as an incomplete study of and an inadequate basis of educational theory? A. Realism. B. Pragmatism. C. Idealism. D. Naturalism. Answer is C. Idealism. 14th one. Which among the following does not fit into the scheme of educational goals of idealists? A. Care of body. B. Moral values. C. Skills. D. Self-expression. Answer is A. Care of body. 15th one. Religious education is strongly advocated by dash. Options: pragmatist, idealist, realist, extensionalist. Answer is option B. Idealist. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഉപകാരപ്രദമായെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എല്ലാ ദിവസവും ഒരു 10-15 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വെച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നിങ്ങൾ വിജയിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഇനി നമുക്കൊരു പുതിയ വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കാണാം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.